few more usability and workflow improvements have been introduced into Automation Manager. One of them is the ability to process part of a job through multi-select, so you can select any parts you choose and right-click and process the selected items. Also on layer mapping, we've continued to make it easy to identify items that are in use. We've already implemented similar in configurations and materials, so highlighting unused setups, which makes it easier to do housekeeping and remove unused items. Also, if you try to delete something that is in use, we get some information telling you which job is using it, so you can modify that job as needed or remove the dependency. These stay highlighted until you switch tabs. Also, if there's missing machining styles now, we highlight them. So somewhere in here, there you go. So the path to this machining style is pointing to a file that doesn't exist anymore. This can cause errors in processing. So if you get those errors, it's easier to find the problem. And in addition, we've got this button, which if you press, it will highlight and expand the tree and show all missing machining styles.